Global demand for CSMs. Where are the best opportunities? Agile adoption across industries. Agile methods, first popular in IT, are now used in healthcare, manufacturing, education, and finance. Remote and hybrid work models. With the rise of remote work, strong Scrum leadership is vital. It keeps teams aligned and productive. Increased focus on continuous delivery. Companies want faster delivery and happier customers. So, Scrum Masters are key to achieving these goals. Rising need for change management. As organizations transform digitally, CSMs are vital. They manage team dynamics and ensure smooth transitions. North America, especially the US and Canada, is a hotspot for Agile adoption. Tech giants, startups, and old firms want certified Scrum Masters to lead their Agile projects. Europe's diverse business landscape offers many opportunities for CSMs. This is especially true in countries with strong tech sectors. Industries with high demand for CSMs. Information technology, IT. IT remains the largest employer of Scrum Masters. From software development to cloud computing projects, Agile methodologies are the default approach. Finance and banking. As banks adopt digital-first strategies, CSMs are key. They streamline processes and ensure compliance in Agile projects. Offer value. Provide influencers with value, such as free products or services, in exchange for promoting your brand. Focus on long-term partnerships that help grow your brand's reach over time. E-commerce and retail. The rise in online shopping has boosted demand for CSMs. They are needed to manage projects in web development, supply chain optimization, and customer experience. Telecommunications. Telecom companies are using Agile to optimize networks and roll out 5G projects. In conclusion, for new businesses, digital marketing is an essential tool for building brand awareness, engaging customers, and driving revenue.